To troubleshoot Coinbase two-factor authentication. Start by understanding what two-factor authentication is and how it works. Two-factor authentication is an additional layer of security that requires a second form of verification, in addition to your password, to access your account. First, ensure you have enabled two-factor authentication on your Coinbase account. If you have not, go to your account settings and enable it. There are two types of two-factor authentication: SMS and Authenticator app. If you are having trouble with SMS two-factor authentication, check your phone for any SMS messages from Coinbase. Make sure your phone is receiving SMS messages and that you have a stable internet connection. If you are using an Authenticator app, such as Google Authenticator or Auth, ensure it is properly set up and configured. Open the app and check the code being generated. If the code is not being generated, try restarting the app or reinstalling it. If you are still having trouble, try disabling and re-enabling two-factor authentication on your Coinbase account. This will prompt you to reconfigure your two-factor authentication method. It is also important to keep your two-factor authentication backup codes in a safe place, in case you lose access to your primary two-factor authentication method. In addition, make sure your account information, including your email address and phone number, is up to date. This will ensure you can receive any important notifications or verification codes from Coinbase. Finally, if you are still experiencing issues with two-factor authentication, contact Coinbase support for further assistance. They will be able to help you troubleshoot the issue and regain access to your account. By following these steps and best practices, you should be able to successfully troubleshoot Coinbase two-factor authentication and ensure the security of your account. Remember to always prioritize the security of your account and take any necessary steps to protect it.